Understanding earplugs needed, an essential phrase for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, earplugs needed. This phrase might sound a bit unusual at first, but it's quite handy in certain situations. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Earplugs needed is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that something is very loud or noisy. It's a humorous way of saying that the noise level in a particular situation is so high that one might need earplugs to protect their hearing or to feel comfortable. This phrase is often used in a light-hearted or joking manner. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. At a concert. I went to a rock concert last night, and it was so loud. Definitely a case of earplugs needed. 2. In a busy city. Walking through the downtown area during rush hour is like an earplugs needed kind of experience. 3. With noisy machinery. They're doing construction next to my office. It's an earplugs needed situation every day. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. Use earplugs needed in informal settings or when you're having a casual conversation. It's not suitable for formal contexts. Also, remember it's a figurative expression. You're not always expected to literally have earplugs. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, earplugs needed, and how it can be used in everyday English. It's a fun and expressive way to describe loud situations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you encounter a noisy scenario. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.